What up guys? You've reached this video because you are interested in learning about passive income and how I'm making at minimum $10,000 per month by being a YouTuber and from my YouTube channel. Now before everybody complains about passive income and saying, oh, that's not passive income, everybody always bitches and moans about the definition of passive income. It's inevitable. There's arguments about, oh, that's not passive income. This is, you can't work them, you can't lift a finger or else it's not considered passive. Whatever. This is why I believe having a YouTube channel is passive. So first we're going to talk about the income on my YouTube channel, and then we're talking about the 6 steps to get there, because if you reach the level that I myself am at and other YouTubers are at, I believe that you have created passive income online with your online business. So let's talk about the different income streams that I earn right now. And so that number 1 income is from ad revenue. So actually the other day I just crossed $4,000 per month with the Google AdSense income that I make from Google, and the ad roll, the advertisements, the little pop-up advertisements you see that play on my channel. So that is the first income stream that I make from my YouTube channel. The second income stream is affiliate marketing. I promote a couple of business tools, and you'll see these screenshots of recurring income that I'm able to produce from these 2 business tools. So on average, that is around $3,000 per month that I earn from promoting those 2 tools. I also promote different types of things such as products on Amazon, other people's courses, and in the past I made high ticket affiliate commissions from promoting other people's high ticket offers, meaning it's an offer that costs a lot of money and you make a minimum of $1,000 commission. At the moment I'm not doing high ticket affiliate marketing anymore, and I'll talk about why in a minute. But essentially, the other way I make money is from collaboration and brand deals, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month. And I actually have a digital course that I sell that runs for $197, and I make anywhere between 5 to 8 sales per month. And so where the big money comes in and where you could actually monetize your channel is with offering different services and with selling a course that has a higher price. So for example, with me, I offer a group coaching program that is high ticket, and also I'll be launching a course at the end of the year that costs anywhere between maybe $700 and $1,000. So that is how I make my income on YouTube. So people get confused about what is passive work, or what is passive about a YouTube channel, and what is active about a YouTube channel. And I would say once you build up your channel to the point where it is bringing you sales while you sleep, while it is bringing you leads, while it is building you up as an authority while you sleep, that is considered passive. Now the active part obviously is that you have to create the content to keep your channel going, or else it'll eventually die down more and more and more. But really, if you're a business owner, if you have a brand online, you have to put content out on the internet. It's inevitable. You have to give value to make your brand credible. So I don't ever hear about Instagram paying their content creators for the content they put out, and that's why YouTube is so amazing, because you have the opportunity to make that ad revenue income once you qualify and reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. But that really is the beauty of income, and it grows organically by itself. Your videos and views grow over time. So let's get into the steps on how you can duplicate these results for yourself with your YouTube channel. All right, so step number 1 to creating a passive income and making 10K per month on YouTube is to decide on a niche. Now, why is this so important? Because if you have a channel that's just a random everything channel and you're making videos on all kinds of topics, your channel will not grow, your audience will be super confused, and you won't get subscribers and views and /leads/sales, because the algorithm has no clue what to do with an everything channel. So if you are niche specific, and if you are going to position yourself as the expert and teach people what you know, share the knowledge that you have, this is like gold. The algorithm for YouTube gets super excited. It's like, yeah, like I know where to put this video. I know what audience to put this video in front of. So it totally makes sense. So I mean, there's that saying, what the niches are in the riches, or the riches are in the niches, or something like that. It's so true, because if your topics, if your videos are random, if it's about cooking and then fitness and then about, you know, relationships, it's gonna be weird and people are not going to have any reason to subscribe. The other thing that's not really a thing anymore is random daily vlogging. Like, don't do that. You're gonna wear yourself out, and people don't know how to do that anymore. Kind of the days of daily vlogging are over, unless you started back in the day and you have a big audience already, but that's not the smartest strategy to do. There's way better strategies than that. The other thing I wanted to mention about being niche specific is trends. You don't want to create a channel and try to get quick views and a bunch of subscribers off of a trend that you don't even give a damn about. Yeah, trends are cool. You can ride a trend and make a video on a trendy topic as long as it's in your niche. But if it's in something random like exotic cars, or what's happening with Trump, or a reaction video to a video game that you don't give a damn about, it's not gonna work. I promise it'll not last, and it's not a way to build a sustainable YouTube channel for business in the future. All right, so the next thing coming in at number 2 that you wanna do to build a passive income and make 10K a month on YouTube is to identify your competition. So let's say we are going to use the singing coach as an example. So you are going to look up the singing channels in your niche. Like, what are they teaching about? What has the most views? What is receiving the most amount of comments? So you want to pick out the top 5 channels, pick out the top 10 videos within that niche of teaching singing, and figure out how you could make it better and what videos you could actually model after on your channel. So maybe you would actually start to write down and think of like your first 10 video topics, like how to sing for teenagers, how to sing any song, how to be a vocalist, how to not get your voice burnt out, or whatever the singing topics are. And maybe you start thinking about like what you can offer people. Maybe you can offer them digital lessons. Maybe you could offer them an ebook with the top 10 reasons, you know, why you shouldn't do this, or else you'll mess up your singing career. I don't know. But that is the idea of identifying the competition. So what is out there? If you see what competition is out there, think about how could you make that video even better. That is the key to all of this. And so the other thing you want to evaluate are what kind of ads are playing on their videos. If you're watching one of these videos and you see a video for fitness on a video that's about singing, it might not be the best thing, because that might mean that the CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 views, which is a very important metric once your video gets monetized for YouTube monetization, if the CPM is higher, it means you get paid more. So if you're seeing all kinds of random ads in a niche specific video, that's not a good thing. And that means the competition for the CPM is lower, and it's maybe lower, closer to $1, maybe $2 per CPM. So you want to join a niche that is actually higher, like $10 or more per CPM. Now I know it's hard to understand that, but you'll kind of figure it out as you go. Because for example, my niche, which is online marketing, teaching online business, we have a very high CPM. And my CPM, for example, is between $40 to $50 per 1,000 views. So that is how much I get paid. So if you go to this video right here, I break down way more in depth how much I make per 1,000 views, and you get a little bit more explanation on what a CPM is. But definitely consider that when you're looking into the competition of other YouTube channels and your market and industry. All right, so number 3 in your journey to making passive income on YouTube is choosing equipment. Now, don't let this stop you. Please don't let it stop you. But you should consider using equipment that is going to make your content at least on an equal playing field or higher from the competition. So for example, if you are doing more so tutorials and screen shares on your computer, maybe a 1080p webcam, a Logitech webcam would work just fine for you. Maybe if you are a singing coach, you might want to get a camera like the one I have. I'll leave the description of the camera I have, but it's a Panasonic G85. It's one of the cheapest cameras I found out there that shoots in 4K. So this is a good one because I'd imagine as a singing coach, you'd be filming yourself like this in front of the camera. You'd be filming behind the scenes, some B-roll, maybe of you coaching students. So in that case, you won't really be on your computer doing screen shares. It'll be more, more further away from the camera. So you want to make sure that the equipment that you choose will allow you to produce content that is at least the same as other competition out there or better. One thing that is super duper important is the lighting. You can buy a ring light or one of those cheap tents. I don't know I'm not a pro at any equipment, but there's these tents. I'll have a pop-up of whatever the hell I'm talking about, but you can buy those for pretty cheap on Amazon. The ring light I have was $85, but lighting is very important. It makes it a lot better for the quality of what people are watching, so that like half your face isn't in the dark and this half is pixelated and all that. The lighting just helps tremendously. And maybe if you have, let's say, a travel channel and you do like, top 5 best places to eat, top 5 cities in X country to go, you might want to consider getting a GoPro because you'll be doing maybe more action shots outside. Maybe you'll be doing some action shots jumping into water. I don't know, but a GoPro is a good idea if you're in the travel niche. But whatever you have, start with it. For example, I hit my first 10,000 subscribers with just my cell phone and my webcam. Your quality of what you're saying and the value that you're actually giving carries way more weight than the quality of the actual recording. Now, it's important to upgrade once you have, the budget and can do it, but start with what you have. And of course, like this couple right here that I mentored, and they actually crossed 6 figures in 4 hours with a digital product they sold on their YouTube channel. They only had a cell phone as well, and like a $20 lapel mic for a microphone. That's another important thing, get a microphone, which is not expensive at all. You guys can do this. Just start with the equipment you have. Don't use the excuse of I don't have a nice camera. By the way, if you guys are interested in my 6-figure YouTube coaching program, which teaches you how to build a successful channel from scratch, from zero, and really monetize the channel and grow a successful business, click the link, the first link in the description, and get on the list to join the program and see if you are an applicant who qualifies for the program. All right, so coming in at number 4, don't reinvent the wheel. A lot of people think that they need to just come up with the freshest content that no one's ever heard of. That is not the case. I actually advise that you don't do that. What you want to do is model after the successful YouTube channels and also the successful videos. This does not mean copy. This does not mean take the video and try to copy it and say it word for word. Mix it up, give your version of it, and just teach it your way. So for example, if you are a singing coach and you want to have a video on how to sing in front of a concert, you may look at the top 3 videos of how to sing in front of a concert, take their main components, put it into your own words, maybe add your own ideas, try to make your video better. This is a great thing to do, especially because YouTube, let's face it, YouTube is competitive. So this is a good way to eventually have your content be better than your competitors, is start out with more value. What ideas can you talk about on your video that they didn't cover? So this is what I mean by not reinventing the wheel, is taking content, modeling after it, but making it into your own words, making it better, making it fresh, making it cool, and that's exactly how you do it. All right, so coming in at number 5 for making your YouTube channel passive and making 10K a month is with affiliate marketing. Now, in the past, there was a time where 95% of my income on my YouTube channel was from affiliate marketing. Now, I was selling promoting high ticket offers and making $1,000 commissions over and over and over. And also, of course, I still promote these things, but I promote business tools and different business software. So this is what I love about affiliate marketing. It's kind of the low-hanging fruit on how to monetize a channel. So for example, if you're a singing coach and you have a microphone that you love and it's on Amazon, put your affiliate link for the microphone in the description in your video. So it's kind of like things you already use in your business and in life, things you recommend. Even a blender, like if you're a fitness coach and you're talking about quick recipes, You could say, hey, I use this blender, check it out, I love it, it's in the description below. That is a great way to start monetizing and making a couple extra $100 from your channel with affiliate marketing. And the other thing about affiliate marketing is people won't have a problem buying from you and buying from your affiliate link because they want to give you the sale and they want to give you the credit because you're giving so much value and you're being so useful on your YouTube channel. So don't think that, oh, so-and-so is not going to use my affiliate link, you know, just because it's my affiliate link. No, people will buy. Trust me, they will buy through your affiliate link. All right, so coming in at number 6 and the last and final step to making your YouTube channel passive and growing a 10K income is with back-end monetization. Now, this is huge. Now, this doesn't come unless you do the first 5 steps, but back-end monetization is where you'll really concentrate and figure out how you will monetize your channel to make the bigger chunks of income. So whether this is creating digital products, digital ebooks, digital books, maybe you're coaching, maybe you do some type of consulting, maybe you have a membership site or a membership where you charge a monthly fee for people to enter into your membership program, and every single month they pay a certain fee to get access to the videos and the extra content that you have to share. Really, you kind of have to understand what business model you want to go after. In this video, 10 ways to make 10K per month on YouTube, I talk about exactly this and what business model would work well for you for back-end monetization. So go ahead and check out that video after this video to get a better idea of how you can monetize your channel, because there's some ways you can monetize it that I haven't even touched in this video. But essentially, I think everybody has the capability to build their online course, build a digital course and teach something, and you can promote it on Udemy. You can host the course on a free platform called teachable.com. It's a great platform to get started if you are on a budget. If you have around $100, between $80 and $100 per month to spend and invest on business tools, which I highly suggest you work up to as fast as possible, I do recommend getting Kartra. I use it for email marketing, sales funnel building, and hosting my digital membership sites. So it's like an all-in-one business platform. I'll leave the link below so you could check out what it's all about, and there's a 2-week free trial. But the point is, these business tools mixed with the back-end monetization strategies are what is going to make your channel super profitable and make it a very lucrative online business. All right, guys, that is all I have for this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to continue and see more videos like this one, you can continue watching these videos here. You know what to do. If you haven't joined the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we will see you on the next video. I'm Marissa Romero. Take care.